Millions of people are familiar with it. Snoring, the number one annoyance in the bedroom at night. About 1 in 2 men and 1 in 4 women of middle age or older snores in their sleep. Previously dismissed as just an annoying disturbance of the peace, snoring is now recognized as a serious sleep and health disorder. These nightly lapses in sleep can even be life-threatening. Now there's a revolutionary helper that immediately improves nasal breathing and can thereby prevent snoring. Let's start from the beginning. When snoring, loud breathing noises occur in the upper airways during sleep. A full 70 decibels, as loud as a passing truck. That's the sound many people fall asleep to. The causes of snoring are based on anatomical bottlenecks such as swollen tonsils, polyps, a curved nasal septum, or an excessively long uvula. Men over 50 years old, especially, snore. As many as 60 to 80% in this age group are affected.